Well, if I didn't fail in that part, I would have been you. So obviously, because you were definitely not in the lead. Yeah, I definitely. No. If no, you would have messed up, and I would have been you for sure. That is not a lie. Why do you always ask me to do races in games that you've already speedrun? What? What? No, you said something. Are you mocking me? Are you making fun of me for being bad? Well, you're mean, so. Yeah, I would have been you. Definitely. I definitely did not have to reset my run, no. You had to reset your run. Well, have you been a run? Yes, well, I thought you haven't. Hello? Well, have you been a run? No, you haven't. I have. No, you haven't. No, you haven't because I say so, so. Wait. Wait, how did I get to level 4 badge? I've gone past level 4. One time I was trying to beat the game, and I think I got close, but I didn't, because what happened is... Because what happened is that I, like, accidentally, like, TP'd back to a level, and then realized I couldn't, uh... And then realized that I couldn't, like,